Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Maybelle from the Dead West set. She was black and white and zenithally primed, and I get started with marine blue for her dress. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. To start bringing up the bulk of the dress, I went over it with Elysium blue, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses and the shadows. Finishing off the dress, I added a highlight over all of the areas hit directly by light with electric blue. For her exposed skin, I went with sunny skin tone. Getting the trim on her dress and the pick handle done, I used Sandstone. To add a highlight over the trim and the axe handle, I grabbed Dragon Fang, just brought up all of the tops of the folds and the wooden details. For the base and her hair, I went with Plague Brown. She's wearing white gloves and her eyes are exposed enough that I actually need to paint them in on her. So I grabbed silver grey and just gave them a once over. To make her hair lighter and closer to what the card art is, I went over all of the raised strands with sand yellow. There are some tassels and bows around her dress. These get done with Ashen grey. I don't get it on camera, but I do also dot in her eyes with this colour. For the only metal part on the Mini, I went with Cerakote Silver for the pickaxe. Getting started on the washes, I start off with blue tone wash over her dress to blend those highlights together a bit more. For everything else on the Mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash. Finishing up, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Maybelle. She was pretty easy to paint up and it gave me a chance to practice blue clothing again. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.